Welcome to WebStylePress. I published a video on single function for multiple elements. I missed something very important in it. Here is what we created. It's a jQuery based toggle functionality. On title click, card details area gets toggled. This is card title and this is details area. This is our HTML. I have linked Bootstrap with it for basic styling, and I have got custom.css, my CSS file linked with it. I have got two blocks of code here, this one and this one. In the end, I have got jQuery and my custom.js file with my script. So we have got this card. This is toggle wrap outer div, and then this is the card area with toggle dash trigger class, and this is the area that will be toggle area. And we have got two cards with similar classes. Our CSS is pretty simple. All the functionality is in custom.js file. This code is simple. On title area click, toggle details area. But it's good if we want one toggle element at a page, otherwise it's not good. Refresh the page, and now if I click at any title, both blocks are being toggled. To overcome this issue, we get title element via this keyword. Then we get its outer area and find details area only inside current block. Then we toggle it. On click of this title, we get this area and find toggle area inside it and toggle it. Refresh, and it works. But we still have a problem. We are using slide toggle. It's animation. If I click at title multiple times quickly and leave it, it keeps toggling back and forth unless number of clicks are processed by the code. We don't want this in our code. For example, if I click it quickly multiple times, see, this is the problem in this code. To overcome this, we will add another jQuery method to the chain. This is our chain of methods. So after we find this area, we will add dot stop method here, and then we will slide toggle. And this technique of using method after method like dot closest, dot find, dot stop, dot slide toggle at same element is called chaining. We added dot stop method to this chain. And now refresh, and if now I will quickly click it multiple times and leave it, it won't be affected. See? And without this stop method, this happens. So we need dot stop method here. Now that issue is gone. So whenever you use animation, make sure you use stop at the end as well. In this particular case, remember this. This dot closest, dot find, dot stop. Use all of these. Dot closest, dot find, and dot stop. Let me show you jQuery's official docs related to these methods. This is dot closest. For each element in the set, get the first element that matches the selector by testing the element itself and traversing up through its ancestors in the DOM tree. And dot find, get the descendants of each element in the current set of matched elements filtered by a selector, jQuery object or element. And then dot stop, stop the currently running animation on the matched element. So whenever you use animation and you use dot closest and dot find, make sure you use dot stop with these as well. Now that example of single function for multiple elements is complete. Alright, give this video a like, subscribe to channel and press bell icon. Stay tuned and I will see you in the next video.